Heavy snowfall has enveloped some areas of central and eastern China since Wednesday, leading to transport disruption in several provinces amid the ongoing Spring Festival travel rush. In central China's Hubei province, freezing rain and snow over the past few days have disrupted flights and railway traffic in several cities. According to the Hubei Airports Group company, both runways at Wuhan Tianhe International Airport were closed from Saturday evening due to adverse weather. The airport initiated an emergency response for snow and ice removal early on Saturday, and the runways resumed operations on Sunday and Monday respectively. China Railway Wuhan Bureau Group Company Limited said on Sunday that it planned to suspend the operation of 141 round trips. The railway authority has organized nearly 3,000 employees to conduct snow removal and nearly 4,000 sets of railroad switches to ensure the smooth functioning of railway tracks. In the neighboring Hunan province, authorities are trying to reach 4 villages in the city of Linxiang after fallen trees blocked roads and knocked out power supplies and telecommunication for more than 2,000 villagers.
看这次冰冻天气对于我们阳乐市镇来讲还是造成了一定的伤害。第一是道路交通受阻，第二个就是我们的电力供应部分出现了中断，第三主要是我们的这个群众的这个电信通信出现了故障。
Railway authorities in Hunan have imposed speed restrictions on 2 high-speed railways, leading to delays for some trains. On Monday, China Railway Guangzhou Group Company Limited suspended 58 trains, including 49 passing through the province. Since Saturday, the Ministry of Emergency Management and 2 other government departments have dispatched disaster relief supplies to Anhui, Hubei, and Guizhou, including cotton-padded coats and quilts.